Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, I'm Liliana, and this particular channel is about me sharing my tips and tricks about my cake decorating journey. So in today's video, it was a highly requested one, so I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful two-tone buttercream cake with meringue cookies. So without further ado, let's get to it. So this is how I made this beautiful cake. Very simple to make. Basically what you need to do is start with your first buttercream color and then pop it in the freezer, chill it until that buttercream has set, and then you do your second layer. So like that you get both layers, and then you just scrape it off until it's nice and smooth. So that's for that. And then for the meringue cookies, I use piping tip 1M, which is one of my favorites, and I will do a video down the road on how I created all of them at the top. For now, I just did a video that you guys already know, so just showing you step by step on how to do the meringue cookies, but I will show you how to recreate all of those toppers using my 1M tip only. So yeah, so I'm very excited about that. And basically for the meringue cookies, what you need to do is, I always do this. I don't see all the bakers do it, and I don't know why. I heat up my eggs with the sugar. I make sure to dissolve the sugar with my eggs in a bain-marie. Bain-marie is basically a pot with water, and then you put your bowl on top, and then you're gonna whisk it until the sugar has dissolved, and then when you touch the egg whites, you know when it's ready. So I always do this because it kills the bacteria, so it's super important to do it. And once you're done with that and you know that your eggs are ready, then you transfer it to your machine, and then you're gonna whisk it away until it's nice and fluffy, and then you get that stiff peak. You don't want it to go like this, you want it straight. So what I do is I also use cream of tartar. Cream of tartar helps stabilize the eggs, and it just gives you that nice peak. And once you have the texture that is like glossy and white, pure white, then you know it's ready. If you want to use food coloring, I mean not food coloring, but if you want to use extract, I always go with something that is clear, so almond or vanilla extract. The reason why I go with clear is that because it won't tint my meringue. But if you don't care about that and you're gonna color it anyway using food coloring, then you can go ahead. It's just the color is not gonna be the same, but it's like there's no right or wrong here. They look more difficult than what it is. They're actually very easy to make, and they taste so good. And for the coloring, you can use powder, you can use gel food coloring. I did both, no problem whatsoever. You just divide your meringue into little bowls, and then you mix your color in, and then you go ahead and have fun and pipe, and then put it in the oven and bake it until they're done. Obviously, the bigger they are, the longer they're gonna take, and the smaller they are, the quicker they're gonna bake. But that's basically it. Nothing major. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.